all, what we see here is a tyre inflator. So what do you mean by tyre inflator? So basically we have a car, right? So when there is a air loss in the tires, that means your tires are totally flat, there's no air, you cannot take out the car, right? Neither you can use a hand pump. So you can use this tyre inflator, and you can run this on your car battery. Now, one of the problems with this tyre inflator, so when you are using this tyre inflator, you connect this and you turn on the ignition, okay, and the power gets applied to this tyre inflator. But remember that when you are using this, you should always turn on your car. Without turning on your car, never ever use tyre inflator, because there will be a direct load on your battery, and your battery might drain. This is what happened to us. This is the experience which we have seen. We have used this tyre inflator without turning on the engine, and the engine got the battery got drained, and suddenly the car didn't start. Okay, so careful guys while using tyre inflator. Ensure that you always turn on your engine such that your battery doesn't get drained. Okay, so this is one of the tips we wanted to give while using the tyre inflator. Thank you.